class. I hope you are all doing well. Thank God. And I hope you are also ready for today's lesson in mathematics. But before we move on, let us revise on what we learned last week in our previous lesson. Yes, what did we learn in our previous lesson? Yes, Doris. Very good. Expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. For example, yes, very good. 20% of 100 is equal to 20 over 100 times 100. And the final answer is what? Yes, very good, 20. So today, we are going to look at application of percentages, in our daily life activities. So in your own ways, how do we apply percentages in our daily life activities? Yes, coffee, very good. Discount, yes. Adwa, very good. Commission, yes. Yes, profit, good. All these are ways of applying percentages in our daily life activities. So we are going to take it one after the other. So we shall look at how we are going to apply percentages in finding profit. Very good. So before we move on, let us look at the objective for today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to discover how percentages are used in our everyday life activities. Now, like we said, profit. When we talk about profit, how do we mean? How do we get to know that you are having a profit? Yes, Adwa, very good. That is what is written here. It is the difference between the revenue from sales and the total expenses incurred. And it can also be expressed in percentages. Very good. Now, how do we express profit in percentages? Yes, good. So, mathematically, we have profit, percentage profit is equal to profit over cost price times 100%. And remember, before you be able to find the profit, as we have already explained, you need to subtract the cost price from the selling price. I hope you have understood. Very good. Let's move on. Let's look at how we are going to apply this formula. A shopkeeper buys a shirt for $50 and sells it for $65. What is the percentage profit made on the sales of the shirt? Let's see how you are going to solve it. Let's all solve it. We are going to follow these steps in solving. Now, the first step is for you to identify the cost price and the selling price. Now, in knowing that, you will be able to find the profit. So, from the question, what is the cost price? Yes, Adwa, very good, $50. What is the selling price? Yes, coffee, very good, $65. So, if you want to find the profit, how are you going to get it? Yes, Dorothy, very good. We are going to subtract. So, we're going to have 65 minus 50, and that will give you a profit of what? 15%. So if you want to also find the profit percent, now how are you going to find it? How are you going to find it? What formula are we going to use? Yes, Hagan, very good. Profit over cost price times 100%. We already know that the profit is what? $15 over what is the cost price? $50. All multiplied by 100%. And we are going to get what? 30%. I hope you have understood. Very good. That's great. I like how you are engaging yourself. Now, I want you to break into your various groups, into your various math ability groups, and solve this example for me. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay, so group 1, excellent group. Come and present your results. That is good. What is your result? Very good. Now, let's all come together and solve. This is the solution, like what we did in the previous question. You identify the cost price and then the selling price. You subtract, then you are going to get the profit. So the cost price is what? $100. Very good. What is the selling price? Yes, approximately $120. So how do we get the profit? Yes, hey guys, good. You $120 minus $100. Then you're going to get a profit of what? $20. So let's find the profit percent or the percentage profit. Yes, Bismarck. Very good. You are going to use this formula. Profit over cost price times 100%, and that will give you what? 20 over 100 times 100%, and that will give you a profit of 20%. Very good. Is there any question? Good. If there are no questions, we shall end here. I have developed an assignment on this topic. Way back outside, we are going to find those topics, those questions, pick one after the other, and then we solve it and submit it tomorrow in our next lesson. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.